super yummy. Super healthy too. So hi guys, since they've been asking what do I put on my favorite avocado shake, so here it is. Here are the ingredients. I put banana, avocado, of course, my chai powder. You can use any kind of chai powder. This is so healthy. It's black ground and it doesn't taste anything. You can put daily 2 tablespoons. It says here in the ingredients, and yes. And next, I use almond milk, but you can use regular milk. So for today, since I bought this new one, I will be using this almond milk. Next, I put this Organika Enhanced Collagen. I got this from Amazon. I will link it in the description. This is highly recommended. This is unflavored, so you can put 1 scoop only, and it will help you enhance your skin, hair, and your nails. So it is really good to drink any collagen or powder or tablet. It's gonna be your own preference. So yeah, this is what I put. So first I will add the banana. You can do half or whole one, and the avocado. So it's gonna be your preference if how many would you like for avocado. And for myself, I chose to put the whole one because I really love avocado. It's super healthy too. And this chai seed, the benefits of it is antioxidant, high fiber and protein content, and it may help you to lose weight. This collagen powder, specifically Organika brand, is a restorative blend for body and mind. It will help your skin, hair, nails, joints, muscle, gut health, stress relief, and relaxation, and you can be able to sleep properly as well. You can put it in coffee, shake, or you can drink it as it is. And you can put 1 cup of milk. I use my almond, but you can use regular milk. And add an ice cube. The recipe will be in the description below. Yummy. Yeah, try this collagen drink. I'll put it in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.